If your TIMMK00 MP3 player will not turn on by pressing the power button, tapping on the screen, or even trying to charge it, then here's what you need to do. Take the MP3 in your hand and simply hold down on the power button for 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there we go. And it's on again. And it's working.